So we're on the live screen inside the SEO Catalyst dashboard, and I'm going to show you how we were able to rank this search term, dermattend, with 60 seconds worth of work. So with that being said, guys, what I'm going to do first of all is just create the campaign, call it dermattend. I'm going to create that now, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally explain a few things here before I set the timer. What it is, guys, is if you want to order unique articles for your campaigns, which is what I fully recommend, you would go through order from iWriter or order from I Need Articles. If you order from iWriter, when they're in your account, and that's usually within 24 hours, the unique articles will come up here. Like here's one, for example, on World of Warcraft, and what will happen is obviously more and more will come up there, and then you can just literally tick, and then use articles or mass select them and use. Once you've posted them onto your network sites, of course they would disappear from there. If you wanted to go through I Need Articles, you could do that, and they would be delivered to you in the correct format in Notepad file, and then you just literally need to bulk upload them like so. If you want to use a different source of articles, if you have writers of your own or you use different services, that's completely fine. Again, it supports the mass upload feature, and we also have an autocorrect function, which I'll show you after I've done the 60-second demo. Okay, if you want to spin articles, guys, of course we support that, and you can spin articles and bulk upload them here. But the thing is, I've never done that. I haven't done it for over a decade. I rank long term, and it's not something I recommend, so I'm just going to say that one's each to your own. Just don't expect long term results if you're going to spin articles and use them for your links. You know, Google and even Yahoo and Bing now like to see indexed articles which stay indexed for a long time so that you get that link maturity. You know, that's very crucial, and not many people talk about it, but just so you know, we set this up so that it actually works. We're not starting some kind of gimmick here or something that might work for a couple of weeks. This is a long-term solution. Alright, my friends, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set the timer, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to literally go through this as fast as I can. Then I'm going to, you know, get to the end. The timer will obviously be done, and then I'm going to go back and explain what I've done and what's happened and show you what this is doing, and then we're going to post the campaign live, and then I'm going to show you the results of what it's just done. Okay, my friends, and here we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is bulk upload the articles. That's 10 articles being bulk uploaded now. What I'm going to do is upload the anchor text. That's the anchor text being uploaded now. What I'm going to do is add in the URL. This is my money site. This is the URL that's going to be linked within the articles. What I'm going to do is just paste in my author details here. You can create a unique one for each campaign, and again just paste that in here. That's what I'm going to do there, and then next. What I'm going to do is pause the video now just to explain this feature. Okay, my friends, so this is the image feature, but the thing is, it's also setting it up for the videos as well, which is the next step. So what I'm going to do is just show you this. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to basically upload 5 images, and I want it to go on every other article. Since we've got 10 articles, what I'd like to do as well is I'd obviously want to have videos on here as well. So for every other article, there'll be an image and a video. The video is going to be at the bottom. We are going to be adding in a randomizer here after the launch week, which means that the videos and the images can appear in several different places throughout the articles. Obviously that's to avoid footprints, and it's just something cool that we want to add in on there. So what I'm going to do is show you that you can upload mass unique images if you have them, if you buy them from somewhere like Photojune, or if you have other sources to get images, and it supports mass upload zip file as well, so you could do one by one or upload them by the zip. But this is our cool feature here, and I'm just going to show you this. We'll just type in beautiful skin since it's related to the dermattend product, and what it'll do is bring up related images that we can use in our articles. So what you would do is select 5 here, but let me just show you for the previous campaign that I did to promote a weight gain site. So again you type in the terms, and look what happens with loads of tons of related images which are completely free for you to use with no copyright issues. So going back to this, what we would do obviously is we just add them all in. 5 images, 3 there, 4, 5, it's all related. We'll set the timer again, and again we would do the same for the videos. So we just type in beautiful skin, search, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we want the social media on there. Just going to select, Now we want the scheduler. Just going to select it because I don't want to schedule, I want to post blogs, and I want to select my health blogs, and that's it guys. Add to campaign, and where are we on the timer? We are done. I've just completed the full campaign. Obviously I'm going to go back and explain what I've done. What you can do is you can add groups of domains. So if you have a health network or a finance network or real estate network, you can add them in the specific groups, like obviously what we do. Obviously for here we've got the health network. What we want to do is, this is just a small health network for this campaign. We're going to post these articles that just goes on health themed websites, okay? So as you can see, I quickly added in 10 domains that will post to, that this campaign will post to, alright? If I just go back to scheduling, what I want to do is kind of put that down to around 9 PM because it's 8:37 now. For this example, I just want to post it now, live on the screen, okay? We'll just go to the next section here just to make sure that's fine. Yeah, that's all good. That one I don't want to do, guys, is just hit finish. As you can see, I did the whole campaign in 54 seconds. Now that means that when I post this, I'm going to get 10 unique authoritative themed one-way links to this particular website, which is already ranked at number 2. There you go, this is how we did it. We did exactly this, what I've just showed you, to rank that term number 2 on Google, and we literally did it with 60 seconds work, okay? The proof is in the pudding, my friends.